How to replace the speakers. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless LAN module, hard disk drive assembly, left fan, right fan, motherboard, and display panel assembly. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Peel back the retention tape that secures the speaker cable to the top cover. Remove the DC-in cable from the routing channel on the speaker. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.